In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the black screen issue in your Steam library. This is a common problem that gamers face, leading to frustration when you're eager to dive into a new game or continue where you left off. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's walk through this problem together, step by step. First, let's start with checking your internet connection. Sometimes, the simplest solution is the most effective. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to a new page. If everything loads smoothly, your connection is likely not the issue. However, if it seems slow or doesn't load, try restarting your router or contacting your internet service provider for further assistance. Now, if your internet is working properly, let's turn our attention to updating Steam. Outdated software can create a variety of issues, including the black screen. Go ahead and open your Steam client. Once it's open, navigate to the Steam menu in the top left corner, and from the drop-down menu, click on Check for Steam Client Updates. If there is an update available, allow it to download and install. Steam should restart itself after the update completes. Once Steam restarts, check to see if the black screen problem persists. If the issue is still there, let's move on to checking your graphics drivers. Particularly, if the black screen started happening after a recent update, then your drivers might be the problem. Open your Device Manager, which you can easily find by typing Device Manager into the Windows search bar. Once open, look for the Display Adapters section. Click to expand it, then right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Follow the prompts to search for an updated driver automatically. If a new driver is found, install it, then restart your computer for good measure. For those still encountering the black screen, it's also worth verifying the integrity of your game files in Steam. Corrupted files can often lead to issues just like this. Go to your Steam library and find the game that's giving you trouble. Right-click on the game title and select Properties. From there, choose the Local Files tab and hit Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will go through and replace or fix any corrupted or missing files. This might take a few moments, so sit tight. If none of these solutions work, consider disabling any overlays or background applications that might interfere with Steam. Applications like Discord, NVIDIA Shadowplay, or other third-party software can sometimes cause conflicts. Try running Steam with these programs closed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the black screen issue in your Steam library. If you have further questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!